Aquino to Nieva. Nieva body check. What a good defense by Pelaheo. And Pelaheo got the foul. Foul will be on number 555. Nieva, that is your first personal foul. Third team foul. Romeo and friends. Pelaheo with a jumper 3 connects. That one makes it 11-8 in favor of a team. The Tecom. The Plaza taking his own 3. What a rebound by number 11. It's Kaluwad to Badaguas. Badaguas defended by Torio. Traveling violation was called on Badaguas. The 10 on the shot clock. Plaza loses that ball. We have a whistle. The foul will be on number 18, Torio. First personal foul, fourth team foul, Romeo and friends. Pelaheo drives to Ferrer. Ferrer with an 8-foot jumper basket for 2, extending the lead to 5, 13-8. 1 minute and 5 seconds left in this first quarter. Plaza. Passes. What a good steal by Ferrer. 1-on-1. Jimenez wait for his teammates. Pelaheo taking the 3 again. Overshoots. Foul on number 777. It's a landing spot, sir. It's a clear foul. 3 free throws will be awarded to Pelaheo. Beautiful nga. Oh, nakikita ko rin. Pero mantis yung free throw. Connects the second one. One more free throw. 3-point shot yun, sir. 3-point shot. 5 seconds. Miss that one. Pelaheo putting it back. And that's the end of the first quarter. 14-8 in favor of Team Tecom. Tecom ball, Tecom. Players po, sa likod ng barricade. Number 28, Ambrad. Missed that one. Rebound by number 25. Number 25, fake taking that shot. Missed. Rebound by number 17. Number 17 is fouled. Santos Celdes to number 2, Reyes. What a good defense by Team Tecom. We have a foul. A foul on number 47, Kagiwa. The first personal foul, second team foul, Romeo and friends. Long 3 by Ferrer, miss, rebound by Ayan. Ayan now, running that game to Santos Celdes. Santos Celdes to Reyes. Reyes stops, drop it to Ayan. Ayan with a floater basket for 2. Cutting down the lead to 5, 15, 10, 8 minutes and 30 seconds left in the second quarter. Ambrad to Matibag. Ten seconds to shoot. And Ferrer drives, gets fouled. Foul number 2, that is your second personal foul. Second personal foul, Ayan. Third team foul, Romeo and friends. Basket timeout, rep. Timeout, Romeo and friends. And this timeout is brought to you by Dubai Police, Pacific Spirit Council, Chamar Sports, SBP officials, and Grand Infinity Medical Center. Okay, back to the ball game. Seven minutes and 53 seconds left in this second quarter. Ayan. Ayan, missing that shot. And the ball will be awarded to Team Tecom. Ambrad to Ferrer. Ambrad with that side step to Matibag. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ambrad using some skills, using that euro, drops it to number 35, missing that shot. Rebound by Ferrer, and Ferrer gets fouled. Foul on number 2, it's Ayan. That will be your third personal foul. 14 foul, Romeo and friends. 6 minutes and 55 seconds left in the second quarter. Ferrer connects his first free throw. Ferrer connects the second one. Makes it 19-10 in favor of Team Tecom. Kagiwa to Santos Celdes. Bergonya taking the 3. Bang! Timeout, Team Tecom. Relax lang. Pasok kayo, sir. Guys, only 5 players who are playing. Other bench players, sa likod lang tayo, sir. Okay, back to the ball game. Nag-flex lang daw ng biceps si Reyes doon. Brad. Ferrer using the screen. Ferrer with that floater. Basket for two. 21-13. In favor of Team Tecom. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Bergonia. What a good defense by Ferrer. Same ball. Bergonia fakes. Santos Eldes to Reyes. Bergonia, 7 on the shot clock. We have a whistle. Foul will be on number 25. Lahara, that is your first personal foul. First team foul, Team Tecom. Santos Eldes to Bergonia. Reyes, 8 on the shot clock. 5 on the shot clock. Forces. Brad now running the game. Brad drops it to Ferrer. Ferrer fakes and gets fouled again. The foul will be on number 2, Reyes. That will be your first personal foul. Ferrer missed that one. We have a warning. Number 2, Reyes, warning for faking a foul. Long 3, Van Santos Eldes missed that one. Flopping is not allowed in this court, sir. So just play basketball. Brad spinning that one. It's a clear foul by number 47. Penalty, 2 free throws will be awarded to Brad. Kagiwa, that is your second personal foul. Brad connects his first free throw, makes it a 10-point ball game, 23-13 in favor of the light colors. Brad connects both, makes it a 11-point ball game, 3 minutes and 45 seconds left in the second quarter. Santos Eldes to Bergonia, to Reyes. Reyes defended by Matibag. Reyes with that lefty, hitting that board. Brad for that boards. Matibag stopped. To number 25, Stephen Ferrer for 3, miss. Rebound will be on Ferrer again. What a pass to number 17. Left-handed reverse, basket for 2, makes it 26-13. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Kagiwa. Santos Eldes for 3. Air ball. Brad for that rebound. 3 on 2. Matibag drops it to Ferrer. Ferrer basket counts. A plus a foul. Foul will be on number 4, Bergonia. That will be your first personal foul. Ferrer will go to the charity stripes for one more. 2 minutes and 45 seconds left in the second quarter. Completes the 3-point play, 29-13, 16-point ball game in favor of a Team Tecom. Santos Eldes to Bergonia. Bergonia taking that 3 again, missing that one again. Ayan for that save. Bergonia picks it up and he gets fouled. Foul on number 25, Lahara. That will be your second personal foul. The second team foul, Team Tecom. Bergonia to Reyes. To Ayan. Ayan drops it to number 47. 6 seconds on the shot clock. What a good defense by Team Tecom. Ferrer now all the way. Lays it in. Makes it an 18-point ball game. Santos Eldes to Reyes again with that low post move. Reyes gets fouled. Basket count. Foul on number 17. Garcia, that will be your first personal foul. It completes the 3-point ball game by Reyes. 15-point lead in favor of Team Tecom. And Brad Ferrer to number 25 overshoots. What a good backs out. Kagiwa to Reyes. Reyes drives to the right. Double team. Drops it to Ayan. Ayan pumps in the air. Bumps it in. Cutting down the lead to 13 with 55 seconds left in the second quarter. Brad kicking it out to Matibag. Matibag for 3. Missing that one. We have a foul. Foul on number 4, Bergonia. That is your second personal foul penalty. "30 seconds. Lahara misses both free throws, and the ball will be awarded to Team Tecom. 15 seconds. Almost stolen. Stephen Ferrer fakes, spinning that one, missed that shot. What a good steal by Matibag. Matibag lays it in. The lead is back to 15, and that's the end of the second quarter. 33-18. Two free throws will be awarded to Team Tecom. Okay, let's start the third quarter. 34-18, 16-point lead in favor of Tecom. Number 12, Comia to Minong. Minong drives it in. What a move by Minong. Warning bench decorum, Team Tecom. Again, to all the players, sa likod lang po kayo ng barricade. Bawal po kayo sa harap. Foul on number 8. Comia. Cabarubias.
Aquino with that floater. Aquino connects for two. 22-34. A 12-point ball game. Barubias Jr. called for a foul. Napiza. Napiza fakes. 10 on the clock. Napiza with that hero. Missed that one. Rebound by Aquino to Kumiya. Kumiya drives and gets fouled. Foul on number 17. Rotoni, that will be your first personal foul. Second team foul, Team Tecom. Miss a free throw. Ramirez now. Double team. Held ball and ball will be awarded to Tecom. Garcia. A sidestep, a shot, miss. Rotoni for that putback, missing that one. Kumiya for that rebound. Kumiya all the way. He got fouled. Foul on number 8. Blocking foul. Number 8, Kumiya, that is their second personal foul. Third team foul, Team Tecom. A missed shot, rebound by Minong to Kumiya. Time to shoot. Kumiya spinning, taking, bounce it in. Time out, Team Tecom. Shout out daw from Paul Vincent. Shout out Mark Peralta. Shout out kay Mr. Julius at kay Mr. Ian. Thank you to all the guys watching us online. 29,000 viewers. Pwede kayong magpa-shoutout guys. Just comment below kasi may wifi na ako. Meron pa tayong isang quarter for shoutout. Rotoni handling that leather. Defended by Saif. Saif gets fouled. Gets that foul. That is your first personal foul. The second team foul for Romeo and friends. Shoutout daw. Bingi. Toricampo. Rotoni, 3 points. 12-point ball game. 37-25, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Aquino taking his own 3 miss. What a rebound by Team Tecom, but Aquino picks up that one. Hey, shout out sa nagbigay ng spaghetti. Happy birthday, pangalan ng anak mo, sir. Shout out po sa nag-birthday. 9 years old na. Follow number 18 muna. Happy 9th birthday, Johan. Salamat po sa spaghetti. Number 17 connects for 2. Again, happy birthday, Johan Palcotillo. Happy 9th birthday. Thank you for the spaghetti. Baka daw may juice. From Nelma Mashad, shout out sa Mamshis ng Barsha Park. Garcia. 10 on the shot clock. Kickball violation. Kickball violation.